Hello, welcome to Crewe Audi. Today we have the Audi A1 Sportback in brilliant black. The car's got the daytime running lights, the lower lights, the 5-arm design alloy wheels, and at the rear the car's got the rear parking sensors with the twin polished chrome exhausts. The car is a TFSI petrol. You will get the 145 point check with this vehicle, as it is an Audi used approved car, with a minimum of 1 year's warranty and a minimum of 1 year's roadside assistance. Moving to the front of the vehicle, the car has the heated exterior mirrors with the electronic folding function, black cloth front support seats, with the automatic headlights and wipers, and a 3-spoke multifunctional steering wheel, with a 6-speed manual gearbox and Audi Drive Select, and Audi's MMI display. If you'd like any more information on this Audi A1 Sportback, if you'd like to contact us here at Crewe Audi on 01270 50 70 70. Thank you for watching.